Buenos dias, everybody. We're going to show you the grounds of the Wyndham Alltra. Let's take a walking tour. This is the lobby area, and over here to the right is where you're going to go to check in. Then most likely you're going to check in early, then you're going to get a wristband. And then if you're hungry, you can go down this way. There's restrooms down that way. Is that what it is?
It's important to know when you get here that the restroom is there.
To the left of the check-in area. Well, they got a gift shop right here, right? Here's a photo wall where you can take a picture in front of that there. Then here we have the buffet. If you're hungry and you got to wait for your room to be ready, you can go in here and get something to eat. And let's take a tour of the lobby area here. Then if you go around here to this side, you got a bar right here if you want to come and get a drink. Bam, right there. Get yourself a drink. Then here's another seating area. If you're waiting, you can get your drink, have a seat. And here's a coffee bar. You get a cappuccino espresso, a mocha.
And ice cream.
And ice cream. Whoa, I didn't even know about the ice cream. All right, yeah. Then, when the restaurants close at 10 o'clock, oh, this is a concierge, right? Whatever it's called.
This is where you can make your dinner reservations at the a la carte restaurants, and then also any kind of excursions, tours, or photos are over here.
Ah, okay. Then over here, when the restaurants close, there's a snack bar. You could come in here day or night time and get something.
24 hours.
24 hours. Here's some fruits over here. Yogurt, bananas.
And then you have vegetables, salads, pasta salads, rice salads, potato salads, and dressings, and dips, sodas, water.
Coffee station over here, 24/7.
That's for your sandwiches and stuff. This will be changing for afternoon, actually. They're going to take the coffee away, and then they're going to put the afternoon snacks up here, like the pretzels and peanuts and all that.
Yeah.
So this changes out in the afternoon, and then this is your panini press for your sandwiches.
Yeah. You can get a sandwich here and put in the panini press over there.
If you have a sweet tooth, they've got some cookies and granola for your yogurt.
Okay, let's continue to see what else is on the main floor. What does it say? Pull. This way.
I believe that this can be the exit area down here for the beach. I'm not sure. These are rooms, obviously. This is where those critters are running around. This might be people's. I don't know. This is just a lookout.
And just a little lookout area, huh?
So we'll go down there and see if we can exit over there.
Let's go to the beach area. And there's a sign right here that says North Beach Access. Let's go take a look.
Let's go right there first.
All right, well, with all that flight, it is 10 a.m. and
What do you think, Teresa? Even last year, there used to be a lot of beach here. You could be able to walk all the way around it.
Yeah, but now what they've done is they've rocked it off and they put plants up here so people have privacy now because they were walking through. So at least they have their balconies again. And then we have the beach over here, which is nice.
Okay, I'm gonna show them the other side of the beach too, where they can go. Here's the beach area right here. We're gonna go all the way down. Here's the hotel right here. Now, this is the beach area of the hotel here. But you should go and explore to the other side of this pier. Check out this beach over here. You can't sit in these chairs because that's from the other hotel, but you can go this way and walk down, go for walks on the beach and explore. Then here's the Wyndham Alltra again over here. We're gonna head back and go to the pool area. Then you could get your morning coffee and watch the sunrises right here. You can sit right here and watch your sunrise in the morning. Now as we walk back to this area here, where you can buy your tours and reserve your hotel room, reserve your dinner. Here's the coffee station again, the coffee bar. Here's the main bar. Let's walk through the main bar here. You could get your margarita, your paloma over here. Here's the pool area.
And you can rent these. You can rent these beds for the day till 6 p.m. And it comes with, they put a cover on it. You get your bottle service. You can pick what you want: tequila, rum, vodka, champagne. Or if you don't want alcohol, you can do like lobster, like upgrade it to a food, and they wait on you all day, and you have that. Or for inclusion, and you have these chairs. But see how they have the cool things for shading over your head?
Well, this you could put over your head, the shade.
Yeah, isn't that cool? See how you move it?
Yeah.
It's so nice. Now these in the sand don't have.
Oh, what's over here? A little.
You get pizza.
Oh, you could get pizza here.
All afternoon. It's really good. It's not like flat, whatever. It's nice, good pizza.
Mm-hmm.
And they'll usually have 5 or 6 different varieties. There's a beef area here too.
A little sand area there.
Yeah, sand, I should say.
Here's the pool.
We play games, don't we?
It's 10 a.m., so there's the sun rising still right there.
Showers. Wash yourself off. Daniels.
There's restrooms down there.
Yep.
And here's the pool bar. And on this side, you got all the fishermen with their boats lined up. There's the pier. You can take a ferry to Cozumel. Go to the ferry station. It's only maybe a 10-minute walk to the ferry station, and there in the distance is Cozumel. You can see it. There are the buildings in Cozumel over there. A shower here. Okay, we just walked upstairs from the first floor to the second floor, and let's see, there's a sign here.
Yeah, so you have Off the Hook, which I believe is the sushi bar, and then a rooftop with a tranquil pool, spa, and gymnasium. And these are rooms in the different directions.
Okay, let's go follow the arrow.
So right here's another one. It's easy to get turned around. Yeah. So this is nice since they don't have an oceanfront. They kind of have a quiet area here.
What's this? Hydrotherapy over here?
That's for the women, that's for the men.
What is? Is it for everybody?
This is the spa. It might be for women there. Be careful. I think you're in the woman's part. Where you make your appointments.
Oh, that's where you're checking for the spa down there. Okay. This takes you to the restaurant. This is an Italian restaurant over here, eh? Okay.
This is your waiting area for the spa.
Oh, there's a gym down here. This was looked like a good-sized gym when I peeked through the window. Okay, now that we're going upstairs, let's go to the right. There's a shower there because there's a rooftop pool here. There's the Hyatt Vivid across the street. Fifth Avenue is right that way. And here is the rooftop pool that they have. And the sushi bar is over here, down in that area over there. Hola, ¿Cómo estás? Buenos días. Let's go check it out. Yeah, the sushi bar is right up here on the second floor. The great view of the street. Then let's explore this way. These people down here have a little seating area outside of their door, and they have a balcony on the other side. And here they have a view of the street. Let's go upstairs over here and see what their outdoor area looks like. go. Let's go back downstairs. Let's continue going up the stairs. Ah, okay. Let's go to the rooftop. There is an elevator throughout the hotel to get to your room. If you think it's all stairs, but it's not. Let's up the staircase here. Here's the little rooftop area. Oh, there's a jacuzzi up here. Wow, you could come here for the sunset or the morning sunrise and be in the jacuzzi. Nobody's in it, so that makes it real nice. Nice view of the town. Hold on, let me jump in. Okay, cool. Let's go back downstairs. And there you are, the Cozumel way in the far distance. Let's go back downstairs. Okay, let's go back downstairs. That pool area is cool right here on that rooftop area. Ocean view. Well, we'll be coming here and spending some time at Mama Jean's room. Let's have a seat. Let's take a tour of the room here. Well, you walk in, to the left is the bathroom. Let's turn on the light here. Toodaloo! Shower here. That's cool, that's cool. Then over here they got this wooden table here. It's pretty cool. A TV, bed, nice bed, and a balcony right here. Let's go out on the balcony. Take a look, see what we got here. Open the door. Ah, the wrought iron I like. And there's the water. There's the water right there. Fantastic. This is Constituyentes right here. Nice. And here is a view from our balcony. And if you want to see what the restaurant's like, go back to my video called Wyndham Alltra in Playa Del Carmen. It's very nice, and there's a view of the water in the background.